Again, we can see another example of two wave sources that are traveling through material. So if we consider speaker A and speaker B, they're both emitting sound that is traveling to the right. And an easy way to observe whether or not these waves are in phase or out of phase is simply just to draw a vertical line and eyeball the point where they're missing. And if a crest in this problem meets a trough, we'll end up with destructive interference. So they're out of phase. This can happen when they're off by a half of a wavelength. Another opportunity is when they're off by 1.5 wavelengths or 3/2 wavelengths. We'll go forward. In this case, the waveforms are off by 1 complete wavelength. So that difference in distance between speaker A and B, and again a trough will meet a trough. This isn't, sometimes people make a mistake when they look at this problem. They'll say, well, negative and negative gives you nothing, but this is actually constructive interference, because a crest would meet a crest, it would give you a large positive amplitude, but when a trough meets a trough, it will give you a large negative amplitude. So again, these would constructively interfere when they're off by 1 wavelength. And in this case, they're off by 2 whole wavelengths, so speaker A is 2 wavelengths behind speaker B. And we get a trough meeting a trough, so we will have constructive interference.